Today I'll show you healthy recipes with chia and flax seeds, perfect for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. They're easy, delicious, and will help you on your weight loss journey. 9 healthy recipes with chia and flax seeds. Easy meals for balanced eating and weight control. Breakfast with chia pudding. Ingredients: 1 serving. Chia seeds, 3 tablespoons, 30 grams. Almond milk or coconut, 200 milliliters, honey or stevia, 1 teaspoon, optional. Banana, half a piece, 50 grams. Blueberries, 50 grams. Walnuts or almonds, 10 grams, for crunch. Cinnamon, a pinch. Instructions: mix the chia seeds with almond milk and refrigerate, preferably overnight. In the morning, add the banana, blueberries, and walnuts. Sweeten with honey or stevia and sprinkle with cinnamon. Nutritional value per serving. Calories, approximately 280 kilocalories. Protein, 7 grams. Carbohydrates, 33 grams. Fat, 12 grams. Fiber, 12 grams. Why is this breakfast healthy? Chia seeds create a feeling of fullness and can be part of a balanced diet. They are rich in omega-3s, which support overall wellness. Fruits are a natural source of vitamins and antioxidants. Plant-based milk makes the dessert lighter and lower in calories. Lunch, chia and avocado. Salad, ingredients needed, 1 serving. Baby spinach or green salad, 80 grams. Avocado, half, 70 grams. Cherry tomatoes, 100 grams. Cucumber, 80 grams. Chia seeds, 2 tablespoons, 20 grams. Olive oil, 1 tablespoon, 10 milliliters. Fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon salt and black pepper, to taste. Preparation method: wash and chop the vegetables. Spinach, salad, avocado, tomatoes, cucumber. Sprinkle with chia seeds. Prepare a dressing with olive oil, lemon, salt, and pepper. Pour over the salad and mix gently. Nutritional value per serving. Calories, approximately 310 kilocalories. Protein, 8 grams. Carbohydrates, 18 grams. Fat, 22 grams. Fiber, 12 grams. Why is this salad healthy? Chia seeds add protein and fiber that promote satiety and can be part of a balanced diet. Avocado is a source of healthy fats and potassium. The vegetables provide vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Olive oil and lemon give a fresh taste and add variety to your meals. Dessert: chia pudding with raspberries and coconut. Ingredients needed: 1 serving. Chia seeds, 3 tablespoons, 30 grams. Coconut milk, 200 milliliters. Honey or maple syrup, 1 teaspoon, optional. Raspberries, 80 grams, fresh or frozen. Shredded coconut, 1 teaspoon. Fresh mint leaves for garnish. Preparation method: mix the chia seeds with the coconut milk and leave in the fridge overnight. Add pureed and whole raspberries on top coconut, sprinkle with coconut, and garnish with mint. Nutritional value per serving. Calories, approximately 290 kilocalories. Protein, 6 grams. Carbohydrates, 24 grams. Fat, 18 grams. Fiber, 11 grams. Why is this dessert healthy? Chia seeds are rich in fiber and omega-3s and help create a feeling of fullness. Raspberries provide antioxidants, and vitamin C coconut milk gives a creamy texture and contains healthy fats. A little honey or maple syrup adds sweetness without making the dessert too heavy. Dinner: chia crackers with cottage cheese and veggies. Ingredients needed: 2 servings, 1 serving approximately dinner. For the chia crackers, chia seeds, 5 tablespoons, 50 grams. Water, 150 milliliters. Salt, half teaspoon. Spices, oregano, rosemary, or dried basil. For the topping, low-fat cottage cheese, 100 grams. Cucumber, 100 grams. Tomatoes, 100 grams. Avocado, half, 70 grams. Fresh parsley or dill. Preparation method: mix the chia seeds with water and spices. Let them swell. Spread thinly on a baking tray and bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius, 338 degrees Fahrenheit, until crisp. Spread with cottage cheese and top with cucumber, tomato, avocado, and fresh herbs. Nutritional value per serving, calories, approximately 320 kilocalories, protein, 18 grams, carbohydrates, 19 grams, fat, 17 grams, fiber, 13 grams. Why is this dinner healthy? Chia seeds provide fiber and omega-3s, help you feel full and support metabolism. Cottage cheese is rich in protein, which supports muscle health and increases satiety. Vegetables add vitamins and minerals. Avocado provides healthy fats and a creamy texture. Breakfast. Flaxseed porridge with apple and cinnamon ingredients needed. 1 serving. Ground flaxseed, 3 tablespoons, 30 grams. Warm water or almond milk, 200 milliliters. Apple, 1 small, 100 grams. Honey or stevia, 1 teaspoon, optional. A little lemon juice. A few drops cinnamon, ½ teaspoon walnuts or almonds, 10 grams. Preparation method. Mix the ground flaxseed with warm water, chopped almond milk, and let it sit for 5 minutes to thicken. Add the chopped apple with a little lemon juice. Sprinkle with nuts and cinnamon. Sweeten with honey/stevia and serve warm or chilled. Nutritional value per serving. Calories, approximately 260 kilocalories. Protein, 8 grams. Carbohydrates, 27 grams. Fat, 13 grams. Fiber, 10 grams. Why is this breakfast healthy? Flaxseed, omega-3s and fiber that support satiety and weight management. Apple, vitamin C and natural sweetness nuts. Healthy fats and crunch. Honey, stevia, sweetness without extra calories. Lunch, vegetable patties with flaxseed. Ingredients needed, 2 servings. Carrot, 1 piece, 100 grams. Zucchini, 1 piece, 150 grams. Onion, 1 small, 60 grams. Ground flaxseed, 3 tablespoons, 30 grams. Water, 100 milliliters to soak the flaxseed. Spices, dill, parsley, garlic powder, salt and black pepper. To taste, olive oil, 1 tablespoon for greasing the baking tray. Preparation method. Mix the flaxseed with water and let it thicken. Grate the carrot and zucchini, squeeze out the liquid and add the chopped onion. Combine everything with spices, form patties, and place on a baking tray. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 25 minutes until golden. Nutritional value, 1 serving, 3 patties. Calories, approximately 230 kilocalories. Protein, 7 grams. Carbohydrates, 18 grams. Fat, 13 grams. Fiber, 8 grams. Why is this lunch healthy? Flaxseed, fiber and omega-3s for satiety and good digestion. Vegetables, vitamins, minerals, and lightness spices, flavor and aroma without extra calories. Baking, healthier than frying. Dessert, flaxseed mug brownie, flourless and sugar-free. Ingredients needed, 1 serving. Ground flaxseed, 3 tablespoons, 30 grams. Almond milk, 80 milliliters. Unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon, 10 grams. Honey or stevia, 1 teaspoon egg white, 1 vanilla, a few drops. Optional, raspberries or strawberries for garnish. Preparation method. Mix the ground flaxseed, cocoa, and sweetener. Add the almond milk, egg white, and vanilla. You should get a thick batter, pour into a bowl or mug. Cook for 2 minutes in the microwave or 12 minutes in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Garnish with berries and serve warm. Nutritional value per serving. Calories, approximately 210 kilocalories. Protein, 10 grams. Carbohydrates, 14 grams. Fat, 11 grams. Fiber, 8 grams. Why is this dessert healthy? Flaxseed can replace part of the flour and is a source of fiber and omega-3s. Cocoa provides antioxidants and a natural chocolate flavor. Egg white is rich in protein, which supports satiety. A sweetener adds sweetness without making the dessert heavy. Dinner, flaxseed, flatbreads with veggie-filling ingredients needed, 2 servings. For the flaxseed flatbreads, ground flaxseed, 6 tablespoons, 60 grams. Water, 120 milliliters. A pinch of salt spices. Oregano, thyme, or dill. For the filling, Spinach, 100 grams or Swiss chard. Tomato, 100 grams. Cucumber, half, 60 grams. Avocado, half, 70 grams. Garlic, 1 clove olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon. Preparation method: mix the flaxseed with water and let it thicken for 10 minutes. Shape thin circles and bake at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 15 minutes. Prepare the filling with spinach, garlic, tomato, cucumber, and avocado. Season with olive oil, lemon, and salt. Fill the flatbreads and serve. Nutritional value per serving: calories, approximately 290 kilocalories. Protein, 9 grams. Carbohydrates, 15 grams. Fat, 19 grams. Fiber, 11 grams. Why is this dinner healthy? Flaxseed, a source of fiber and omega-3s, suitable for a balanced diet. Vegetables provide vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Avocado contains healthy fats that support nutrient absorption. Olive oil and lemon add a fresh taste and variety to the meal. Smoothie with flaxseed and chia. Ingredients needed: 1 serving. Banana, 1 piece, 100 grams. Mango, 100 grams, or peach if preferred. Chia seeds, 1 tablespoon, 10 grams. Ground flaxseed, 1 tablespoon, 10 grams. Almond milk, 200 milliliters lemon juice, 1 teaspoon cinnamon or ginger, a pinch, optional. Preparation method: blend the banana, mango, and almond milk together. Add the chia seeds, ground flaxseed, lemon juice, and a pinch of cinnamon, ginger. Blend until creamy and serve chilled with ice. Nutritional value per serving: calories, approximately 260 kilocalories. Protein, 6 grams. Carbohydrates, 42 grams. Fat, 9 grams. Fiber, 10 grams. Why is this smoothie healthy? Chia and flaxseed add fiber and omega-3s for fullness and digestion. Banana gives energy and potassium. Mango/peach adds vitamin C and natural sweetness. Plant milk keeps the smoothie light and refreshing. If you enjoyed these chia and flaxseed recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share in the comments which recipe was your favorite. Thank you.